Can the Writing Center help with my college application essay? Are you feeling overwhelmed by the thought of writing your college application essay? You are not alone. Many students find this task daunting. But here's some good news. The Writing Center can definitely help you with your college application essay. Writing centers are specifically designed to support students at all stages of the writing process, including personal statements and application essays. One of the first ways the Writing Center can assist you is through idea development. If you are unsure about what to write, tutors can help you brainstorm and refine your essay topic. They will work with you to ensure that your topic reflects your strengths and personal story clearly. Next, let's talk about structure and organization. Tutors at the Writing Center guide you in structuring your essay logically. They help you make sure that your introduction, body, and conclusion flow well and support your main message. This organization is key to making your essay easy to read and impactful. Writing techniques are another area where the Writing Center shines. You will receive support on how to express your ideas clearly and effectively. This includes advice on tone, style, and word choice. These elements can make a big difference in how your essay is perceived by admissions committees. When it comes to revision strategies, the Writing Center takes a teaching approach. Instead of simply proofreading or rewriting your essay for you, tutors will teach you how to review and improve your own work. This not only helps your current essay but also builds your editing skills for future writing projects. Personalized support is a hallmark of the Writing Center. Sessions are tailored to your specific needs and concerns. Whether you are starting from scratch or polishing a near-final draft, you will receive guidance that fits your situation. The Writing Center also provides a non-evaluative environment. The focus is on conversation and learning, not grading or judgment. This helps reduce stress and encourages honest feedback, allowing you to feel comfortable sharing your ideas. Using the Writing Center aligns well with effective study habits and academic goal setting. It encourages active engagement with your writing process and builds skills that extend beyond a single essay. Plus, it offers mentorship and support, which can be especially helpful during the high-pressure college application period. Most writing centers offer these services for free to students. This makes them an accessible resource for improving your application and other writing projects. Taking advantage of this support early in your application process can lead to a stronger, more confident essay submission. So, if you are looking for help with your college application essay, the Writing Center is a fantastic option to consider.